First, you have to open your Blue app. Click the menu tab on the upper right side. Click your profile and then you will see the 3 dots. Click that. As you can see, walang profile locking sa akin kasi naka-professional mode ako. So, ganun din sa iba. Pero yung iba ay meron. So, dahil ganun lang sa atin, gagawin natin yung isa pang way para ma-lock ang ating profile or to make it on private. Then, you will click again the menu tab. Click Settings and Privacy. Settings. Click that Settings. And then the Privacy Checkup. And here, you will just click the Who Can See What You Share. Then, click Continue. And then, as you can see, lahat ng nakalagay dito sa akin ay only me. So, dapat ganun din yung gagawin nyo. So, click the arrow. And then, if you put public friends of friends or friends, just click the last option, which is the only me. Dapat lahat yan. And then, click next. Dito naman sa audience, who can see your future post, dapat ay naka-friends lang din. Pati yung who can see your stories. Kapag naka-public yan, or naka-friends or friends of friends, click nyo lang yung friends. Yan. And then, click save. And then, click the limit who can see past posts. Limit all past posts. Click that. And then, you will see the audience change complete on the sa baba. Makikita nyo dyan. Pop up. And then, back. Then, click next. And then, click who can see post you are tagged in on your profile. Kapag naka-everyone of friends of friends, just click friends lang. And then, when you're tagged in a post, who do you want to add? Just click friends on that part. And then, just leave it like that. Yung dalawang naka-turn on. And then, click next. And then, here, at the blocking tab, just leave it like that. And then, click next. And you're all set. Review another topic. And then, you will go to the another part. So, how people can find you on Facebook. Click continue. So, here, who can send you a friend request. Kapag naka-everyone, click mo lang yung friends of friends. So, yung friends lang ng friends mo, ang pwede mag-send sa'yo ng friend request sa Blue app. And here, sa phone number and email, napaka-importante nito. So, kapag naka-possible connections, friends of friends and friends, huwag niyong ikikilik niyan. Click niyo lang yung no one para kayo lang po ang nakakaalam ng iyong email address. Naka-private ang inyong email address, pati na rin yung inyong phone number para maiwasan ng hacker na matrace ang iyong number and email address so that they can open your account. Here naman, dito sa search engines, kailangan i-turn off nyo yun. Hindi dapat naka-on kasi pwede nilang malink sa any website yung inyong account. So, yun. Just click back and then let us double check if ang account natin sa Blue app ay naka-private na or naka-lock. Go to the profile and then click the 3 dots and then you will click the view as, yung may mata, and then just scroll it down and then you will see na cover photo ko lang, profile ko lang, at yan lang mismo ang makikita sa akin pag sinearch ako sa Blue app or any other persons na gusto akong i-search. So, ibig sabihin ay naka-private or naka-lock na yung profile natin. So, yun lang for today's video. Thanks for watching and please click subscribe na rin. Thank you!